Sometimes components need to be securely attached together for storing or distribution, like these resistors. However, tape can lose its strength when wet and will leave residue on the parts. It also doesn't fit well with lots of different shaped components, so something more rigid than tape is required. Thinking laterally, plastic model parts are distributed by attaching them to a rigid plastic frame. This is useful as the parts can be presented in order and are rigidly secure. I place a few components in position relative to each other by poking them through holes in a sheet of paper. I then sketch the lattice to join them together securely. These project parts can now be stored or distributed with notes regarding their purpose or assembly instructions, and there is no longer a chance of a part going missing. I created a method of efficiently and securely keeping components together for storing or distribution with a 3D pen sketch. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to like, share and subscribe.